I have not made a video like this in a long time. It's time to unbox a new weather radio. Okay then. Okay. Box looks a little beat up. What the hell? Okay. Okay, good. It's still sealed. Alright. That's a relief. When I felt things moving around in the box, I wasn't exactly sure what to think. I'm pretty sure that I bought this thing brand new. Here's the radio. It's the Reecom R-1630C. Push all the buttons to wish it good luck in service. Alright. Here's the AC adapter, which we will obviously need for the radio's operation. Alright, and let's plug the radio in. There we go. Alright. It is May 28th, I believe. Let me double check that. It's Friday, May 28th, or Thursday, May 28th. Oops. $2026. The time is currently 10:27 a.m. Oops. I'll set it 1 minute ahead just so it's accurate. Alright. Channel select. We're going to go to KHB32, which is channel number 7. Channel select. Enter county. Zero. And I'm pretty certain that's the Hillsborough County same code. Alert mode. Enter voice. Alright. Siren volume. Okay. 14, definitely not. Siren mute. Okay, that's good. Set event blocking. Required weekly test. Alert disable. Administrative message. Alert. I don't care about those. Boil water warning. Blizzard warning. I definitely don't need that because I live in Florida. Evacuation watch. Huh, I've never heard of that one. There we go. Watch. Fire warning. Flash flood. There, I'm getting the hang of this eventually. I'm going to keep all of these like they are. Sorry if I'm offending some people, but I only want my radios to sound for like the most dire situations. Tornado watch, I definitely want that. And we can disable these. All right. Alarm socket. No. All right. All right. I think that about covers it. Yep. All right. Well, I now have a Reecom R-1630C. I've been wanting to get one of these for a long time. I remember seeing one of these in my elementary school many years ago. So, yep. Anyway, that's it.